Hey guys, welcome back to Soulful Adventures, and here I am again to do your December readings for each zodiac sign. So let's see what are the cards for our first zodiac sign, that is Aries, for the month of December 2020. Okay, I'm shuffling the cards for you guys right now. Okay, so let's see the cards. Okay, let's see what are the energies, what are the messages for Aries for the month of December 2020. Okay, your overall energy. Knight of Pentacles. So, if I can tell you, let's begin with Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is a card where you are, in this month, the overall energy of Aries, what I feel, is a go-getter attitude. Okay, you are strategically planning to move ahead, strategically planning for your financial investments, I can say, or financial planning. You exactly know, or you exactly are evaluating what are your the drawbacks, like what are your expenditures and how can you balance, how can you maintain and earn more in this month. So basically this month Aries will have a mentality where they would be more focused on strategic planning of their finances and investments. Okay, Knight of Pentacles, Knights have the go-getter attitude, full of passion, and they are very much passionate about how to balance their finances this month, how to earn more, what are the different sources of income, but not hastily, not hungrily. They are strategically planning this. A proper plan how to start a new business might be, or how to jump to a new job, or how to find out the ways, or how to earn through different income sources. That's what is the mentality of the Aries this month. That's the overall energy this month, guys. Now the first card that we have drawn is Queen of Swords. Now Queen of Swords is a card little cold, a little abrasive. So somewhere I can feel for some of the Aries it might be that due to some, what I feel, due to some experiences in the past, maybe you are taking all the decisions very calculative. You are not taking too much risk. You are not willing to participate emotionally anymore right now. In some cases, I mean, yeah, you are just silently watching over your own kingdom. Okay, strategic thinking again. Strategic thinking, very calculative risks, and evaluating exactly like what mistakes you made earlier and how you can overcome those. Or even we can say you are specifically becoming little cold or abrasive and not engaging yourself more into emotional bondings this month. Okay, then what we have this month is your second card, that is Two of Pentacles. Okay, now if I suggest this, there can be a situation in the mid of December that you may have two or more choices. You may have a situation where you will have to choose a good decision over, you may have a chance where you could choose a better decision over a good decision. Okay, maybe new job opportunity, so you might be thinking whether to leave or to just be in the current job, or this is an opportunity. It's I can tell you, this could be a situation where you might be forced to take a decision depending upon the experiences in the past. If you remove the blind fold or maybe it's mostly related to your businesses or your income. Okay, pentacles. So either you will have to quit a job and start a business, or switch to a new job, or switch to a new business. So more specifically, this month is more about, pentacles, more about your finances. So you might be strategically thinking how to choose a decision, or you are evaluating the options, like now what next. Okay, I have got this situation, I cannot just hastily go into it, I need to think properly, calmly, coldly, practically, and take a quite good decision. Okay, then what we have in your third card is the Hermit. Okay, now very specifically I can see the similarity between these two cards. Okay, the Hermit is a situation, guys, where you need self time, me time. Okay, I love to call this as me time, because this is a guidance given by your inner light. You need to get connected to yourself this month. Okay, the Hermit is a clear indication that somewhere in the strategical thinking, in choosing over the options, in finding out the ways to earn more, and how to plan your finances, somewhere or the other you would be quite busy in the month of November and December. So you need to connect with yourself. Okay, now when the Hermit is showing up, what I sense is Queen of Swords can also be you have gone through an emotional turmoil, maybe in the month of October or November or past 6 months, from where now you are not involving yourself much into emotional bondings or engagement into any new emotions or new love proposals, because you have been hurt in the past. And because of that, somewhere or the other, you are taking this cold and very practical decisions. So just to know exactly like why, and see, this can be very shallow thinking. Okay, because what I feel, Aries is a very passionate energy. Aries is a fire sign, guys. Okay, it needs warmth, it needs friends, it needs socializing. Okay, it's a very passionate energy, and with warm energies, if they are thinking like very practically, it means that either they are really planning something big and they really want to get succeeded, and so they are planning strategically. Or it could also be that they have been hurt in the past, they have gone through a lot of pain, and that's the reason now they don't want to check any circumstances where they might again fall on a face, or they might get hurt, and pretty very bad hurt. And that's the reason, to avoid this, there would be a situation where you will be going into the Hermit mode, where it is very necessary to enjoy your solitude. It's very necessary to check with yourself, to enjoy this self time, to protect your energy, to seek guidance from your own inner higher self. Okay, then what we have in your maybe near future cards is Three of Pentacles, teamwork, guys. Again, Pentacles. So if you guys are planning, this could be the message from the universe to Aries. If you guys are planning a new business or a new project, a new job or something, be in a group, teamwork, help your colleagues. Then if you are into business, if it's a partnership business, take help of your partner. At home also, if you are managing a family, this month a bit, then take guidance from all the people, take help from all the family members, because this indicates a teamwork. Basically, this card is more of for, I could say, business or job related things, finances. So in case you are not into good terms with your teams, or maybe colleagues at your workplace, or maybe partner, it's a time to reconcile and take their help, give your help, and do this work and complete your project, or take a new venture into a business. Okay, so this is the indication from universe that teamwork is going to help you. If you are planning strategically, if you are thinking quite coldly, take decisions from your team, take opinions from them, and then take your decisions. What we have next is the world. So what indicates, the world indicates that if you take a proper decision, because this is exactly clarifying the upper situation, that is the present situation. If you are going to take the proper decision, if you are going to choose a proper choice and option where this situation will arrive, then the world is in your hand. There is a completion of one cycle. Okay, the word indicates that either there is a completion of a cycle and end of a cycle and a new beginning. Okay, or it could also mean that once you have taken a good decision, you have come to a conclusion, then the world is in your hand. So proper decision, proper choosing of an option is very necessary, to get succeeded. So think properly. Don't be into hurry to just choose a decision and work. No, take your time, study harder, and then choose an option. Okay, what we have as a last card is a page of swords. Okay, now page of swords is an energy where a person is trying to learn new things. Okay, he is not into complete action of, for an example, if you are trying to learn a new skill, okay, you're not going to join classes for it or join or search online for it right now, but yes, you are planning to steadily, step by step. Okay, it's more about a new risk you are going to take, and you are going to study it. So you are taking knowledge and learning from other opinions, other experiences. So for an example, let's take this way. If you are planning to do a new business, you are going to gain this experience afterwards, but what about the risk it involves? So to assess that risk, you are currently wanting to go and learn it newly, but with the help of other knowledge, other people knowledge who are already into that business, taking their opinions, thinking about their ways of doing things, and then strategically planning your way of doing things. So this month I feel, Aries, you are completely into starting something new, beginning something new. But basically in the month of December, I won't say that you will start something new, but this month is very crucial to you, because this is a month for Aries where they are going to take a new decision. Okay, not specifically into an action, because I can only say Knight of Pentacles, that's your overall energy, where this is a planning, or what I can say rather, it's a planning how to go about a new business or a new job or a new family, or anything, a new plan. Okay, so overall this month you would be very much busy mentally, because it requires a lot of mental work to think strategically, to take help of your friends, family, colleagues, to choose a proper decision, to start thinking something new after the completion of a cycle, to take guidance from your own self, higher self, what you are really and what you can do. Okay, and to learn from others' mistakes, other experiences, gain knowledge from people who are completely into that, situation, we have already gone through that situation. So this month specifically, Aries, my message for you is you are quite busy into a strategic planning of your finances or new plans, and I wish you best luck for your decisions. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.